All right, so this is where we left off here. So we've got behavioral adaptations. Don't forget that word adapt means to change. So let's get more specific here. So you're going to have a video. Why do you think birds act this way? It's their behavior, okay? We're not talking about their structure and what they look like and that they have sharp beaks and claws. That would be structural adaptations. When you watch the video, you're going to pay attention to how those birds are dancing and why do you think they act this way? It's funny, but it is true. That's what they do, okay? Whoops. So your teacher will show you that video, okay? And then let's check out some more adaptations, specifically behavior. You'll have some cool videos to kind of go through there, okay? So a common question that students ask is, can an adaptation be both? That's always such a good question and hard at the same time, okay? So some adaptations can be hard to label as either structural, meaning their structure, physical character traits on how they were born, or behavior, how they act, because they may be a combination of both. There's our answer, okay? You'll watch a video of a special plant that has both structural, and behavioral adaptations to help them survive and thrive in their environment. So the answer is yes, it can be both. And there's some special circumstances that as you watch the video, you'll pay attention to the plant structure and how that helped the plant survive and some type of behavior it will have, okay? So that will be included here on slide 13, okay? You will do shortly some practice with me going over if it's behavioral or structural. And then at the very end, I have specific terms. These are specific types of adaptations that animals have. They may have one of these adaptations to help them survive. So I'd like to pronounce them with you and kind of pay attention to what animals have these specific adaptations. And you're going to go to dictionary.com, included the link in there, and please use the first definition. We've got the word mimicry. Mimicry. When I think of this adaptation, I think of butterflies. You'll see why. We've got hibernation. I'm sure you've heard before, but there's actually more animals that hibernate besides our lovely bears. So enjoy learning about hibernation. Camouflage. You probably have heard this word before. Some snakes have camouflage. Some zebras have camouflage, leopards. But what is the true definition? So this is a specific type of adaptation. And then we have important words that why did these animals or plants have these specific adaptations? Focus on predator and the word prey, not P-R-A-Y. In science, it's P-R-E-Y. So when you get to the very end of the slide, after we do some practice on behavioral and structural adaptations, please go to dictionary.com, use the first definition, and insert an image as well, maybe the animal that has those specific adaptations that kind of sticks to your head as a visual. Okay, we'll keep practicing adaptations and enjoy the videos. They're meant to be funny, but realistic. So have fun.